Maybe you've been using your phone to record and are ready to step up your production quality. It can be intimidating finding the right camera, lens, and mic that all work well together. This is a sure shot. Here it is, Canon's Video Creator Kit. And inside this box is all the gear you need to make high quality videos. Canon's T7i, 18 to 55mm lens, a Rode directional mic, and a 32GB SD memory card. That means crisp video and sound all in one. If you already make your own content, or if you're thinking of starting your channel, Canon's T7i Creator Kit is a great option and it won't break the bank. And if you're wondering how good this kit actually is, believe it or not, this entire video is being shot with what's included in this kit. But before I get into it, we publish new content weekly, so make sure to subscribe to our channel, tap the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos, and come visit us at the Digital Goja showroom if you're in Miami. So Canon is making it easier than ever with its new Video Creator Kit. So what's in it? The Canon T7i, an 18 to 55mm lens, a Rode shotgun microphone, and a 32GB SanDisk memory card. If you're vlogging or making YouTube videos, this makes it really easy to get started. The Rebel T7i has features that make it super easy to get great footage. One of the hardest parts about shooting video, as you might know, is keeping the focus where it should be. Canon's dual pixel autofocus is one of the best when it comes to focusing because it easily tracks your face while shooting in the live view mode. That technology, coupled with their touchscreen, makes fine-tuning the autofocus easy. You can just touch the LCD where you want the focus to be and bam, it's there, smooth and responsive. And have you ever finished recording and felt like it was the best performance of your life only to find out that you were slightly out of frame? Well, this camera has a screen that flips forward, which makes it really easy to see how you look on screen during shooting. No more back and forth to see if you're in the frame. The Rebel T7i gives lots of options when it comes to the style and look of your video. You can shoot full HD 1080p footage in your choice of 3 frame rates. Cinematic 24 frames per second, standard 30 frames per second, or in 60 frames per second, which you can slow down in post for slow motion video. Okay, that's the camera, but what about the lens? The Canon Video Creators Kit comes with the EFS 18 to 55mm lens that has image stabilization to keep the shakes out of your video. The 18 to 55mm focal length gives you the versatility of being up close to the camera or far away and being able to zoom in. The lens also has an STM stepping motor, which makes the lens quiet when focusing. Some lenses have pretty loud focusing motors, but Canon made sure to avoid that with this Creators Kit. The camera does have a built-in microphone, but the Rode brand microphone included steps up the audio capabilities. Rode is a trusted brand for videographers, and they provide some of the best microphones in the market. And when it comes to video, good audio makes a huge difference. People can deal with picture quality issues if the audio is tight, but when there's a clear picture with poor audio, people don't stick around too long. But how much of a difference does the included Rode microphone make? Just take a listen. This is video recorded with the on-camera microphone. And this video that you've been watching all along is being recorded with the external microphone. Sounds better, right? This mic is nice. Shotgun mics give you the directional sound pickup, which means it focuses on sound directly in front while reducing sounds coming from the sides and rear. Perfect for vlogging and YouTube videos where you're recording yourself right in front of the camera without getting ambient noise, like your cat meowing from the other sides of the room. The VideoMic Go has a foam windscreen to muffle unwanted wind noise and other distracting sounds. And it also has an integrated shock mount which reduces vibrations during camera movement. And if you're worried about having to learn this equipment, don't. This microphone runs on plug-in power directly from the camera. No need for extra batteries. You don't even need to turn it on. Just plug it in with its included 3.5mm cable and press record. The camera does all the work. The T7i has built-in Wi-Fi, and Canon has an app called Canon Camera Connect that has a remote shooting option where you can use a tablet or smartphone as a monitor to operate your camera and shoot directly. The app now lets you transfer video files too, so you can make great videos and send them directly to your smartphone or tablet for easy editing, posting, and sharing with friends. With this setup, you basically have your own production studio. The kit also includes a SanDisk 32GB SD memory card, plenty of memory to get you going. So with the camera, the lens, the mic, and the SD card, you get everything you need to get started shooting right away. If you're new to video and want some useful tips, check out the video we did specifically for creating video with a Canon camera. The link will be in the description box below. What's your current setup for video production? Share your experiences with us in the comment section below. If you like this video, remember, hit the thumbs up button below, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon. And if you're in Miami, come visit us in the Digital Goja showroom. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.